Please subscribe my channel for latest video.
Thank you for coming today. I am here to talk about how to remember words. Learning new words is very important. It helps us talk to people, read books, and understand things better. But sometimes it is hard to remember new words. I will share some tips that can help you remember words easily. First, when you learn a new word, say it out loud. This helps your brain remember the sound of the words. You can say the word many times. For examples, if the word is apple, say apple, apple, apple. This will help you remember it. Next, write the word down. Writing helps you remember better. You can write the word in a notebook. You can also make flashcards. On one side, write the word. On the other side, write the meaning. Look at the flashcards every day. This will help you remember the words. Another tip is to make a sentence with the new words. For example, if the words is apple, you can say, I like to eat an apple every day. Making sentence helps you understand how to use the word. It also helps you remember the words. You can also draw a picture of the word. Drawing helps your brain remember better. If the word is apple, draw a picture of an apple. Look at the picture and say the word. This will help you remember it. Try to use the new words in your daily life. If you learn the word apple, try to use it when you talk to people. You can say, I bought an apple today, or do you like apples? Using the word helps you remember it. Reading is also very important. Read books, magazines, or newspapers. When you see a new word, write it down. Look up the meaning. Try to remember it. Reading helps you see how words are used in sentence. It helps you remember them better. Listening is also helpful. Listen to songs, watch movies, or listen to people talking. When you hear a new word, write it down. Look up the meaning. Try to remember it. Listening helps you hear how words are pronounced. It helps you remember them. Practice is very important. Practice every day. Spend some time every day to learn new words. Review the words you have learned. This helps your brain remember better. Now, I will tell you a story about a boy named Tom. Tom wanted to learn new words. He found it very hard to remember them. One day, his teacher gave him some tips. She told him to say the words out loud. Write them down, make sentences, draw pictures, use the words in daily life, read, listen, and practice every day. Tom followed his teacher's tips. He said the words out loud. He wrote them down. He made sentences. He drew pictures. He used the words when he talked to people. He read books. He listened to songs. He practiced every day. Soon, Tom started to remember the words. He was very happy. He could talk to people better. He could read books better. He was very proud of him. So, remember, learning new words is important. Say the words out loud, write them down, make sentences, draw a picture, use the words in daily life, read, listen, practice every day. These tips will help you remember words better. Another things that can help is to connect the new words to something you already know. For example, if you learn the word banana, think about the last time you ate a banana. This connection helps your brain remember the word better. You can make a little story in your mind with the word. This makes it easier to remember. It is also helpful to learn words in groups. For example, if you are learning about fruits, learn words like apples, banana, orange, and grape together. When you learn words that are related, it is easier to remember them. Your brain likes to make connections and this helps it remember better. Teaching someone else is also a good way to remember words. When you teach a new word to a friend, you use the word in a sentence, explain its meaning, and maybe even draw a picture. This helps you remember the words better. Teaching others is a powerful way to learn. One more tips is to review words regularly. If you learn a new word today, review it tomorrow. Review it again next week. Regular review helps your brain remember the words for a long time. You can make a schedule for reviewing words. This will help you remember them better. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. When you learn a new word, you might use it wrong at first. That is okay. Making mistakes is a part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So, keep trying and don't give up. Let's go back to Tom. He learned a new word every day. He connected the word to sometime he knew. He learned word is groups. He taught the words to his friends. He reviewed the words regularly. He wasn't afraid to make mistakes. He practiced every day. One day, Tom was talking to his friend Sarah. He used many new words in their conversation. Sarah was surprised. She said, "Tom, you have learned so many new words. How did you do it?" Tom smiled and said, "I followed my teacher's tips. I said the words out loud, wrote them down, made sentences, drew pictures, used the words in daily life, read, listened, connected the words to something I knew, learned what is groups, taught the words to my friends, reviewed the words regularly, and practiced every day." Sarah was impressed. She decided to follow Tom's tips. Soon, she also started to remember new words easily. She was very happy. Remember, learning new words takes time. Be patient with yourself. Practice every day. Follow these tips. Soon, you will start to remember words better. You will be able to talk to people, read books, and understanding things better. Another way to remember words is to use technology. There are many apps that can help you learn new words. These apps can make learning fun. You can play games, take quizzes, and track your progress. Using apps can help you remember words better. Also, try to learn words that are interesting to you. If you are interested in a sports, learn words related to a sports. If you like cooking, learn words related to cooking. When you learn words that interest you, it is easier to remember for them. Let's think about Tom again. He loved playing soccer, so he learned words related to soccer. He learned words like goal, team, player, and match because he was interested in soccer. He found it easy to remember these words. Tom also used apps to learn new words. He played words game and his phone. He took quizzes to test his knowledge. He tracked his progress and felt proud of himself. Using technology made learning fun for Tom. Remember to take breaks when you are learning new words. Your brain needs time to rest. If you study for too long without a break, it can be hard to remember the words. Take short breaks to relax. This will help your brain remember better.